Hello, you're watching The Marketable. I'm Tyler Tully. Today I'm joined by the Managing Director and CEO of Argenica Therapeutics, Dr. Liz Dallimore. Liz, thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Tyler. Thanks so much for having me.
Can you give us a bit of an overview about your company and any recent news updates?
Yeah, sure. So Argenica Therapeutics, we are a clinical stage drug development company, and we're developing drugs that focus on preventing or reducing brain injury following acute and chronic conditions. So we've recently announced that we have ethics approval to start a phase 2 clinical trial in ischemic stroke patients that are presenting to emergency departments. So we'll be setting that up in around 10 hospitals across Australia next year. So first patient dosing will be in Q1 next calendar year. So really exciting, pivotal moment for the company. So can't wait to get started.
What else do shareholders have to look forward to?
Yeah, so we've got, the main thing really is that phase 2 stroke trial, but we do have a number of other indications that we're looking for. So over the next quarter, we're hoping to put some data out on an indication known as hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, and that is sort of akin to a reduction in blood flow in newborn infants. So it is a rare paediatric condition. It affects sort of around 1 in 1,000 live births across the world, and it results in some really severe issues for these children, such as cerebral palsy, learning difficulties, that sort of thing. So we've got some exciting announcements coming up around some preclinical studies in HIE. We've also got some work in Alzheimer's disease, so hoping to get some data out on the ability of our drug to reduce one of the key proteins that accumulates in Alzheimer's, which is a tau protein, and further work in traumatic brain injury and concussion. So there's a lot happening in the company. We're really sort of progressing that phase 2 trial and keeping the market, I guess, engaged on all the other preclinical applications that we have coming up.
Liz, thank you for joining us at The Marketable.
Thanks so much for having me.